In this video, I will show you how to convert a Canva website into a WordPress page. First, open Canva and go to the website design you want to use. Make sure the design is finished and ready to share. Look at the top right corner and click on the Share button. A panel will open with different options. Scroll through the options and click on More. From the list, find and select Embed. Canva will now show you an HTML embed code for your website. Next, select the full embed code that Canva provides. Make sure you select all of it. Then click on the Copy button. This code is what allows your Canva website to appear inside WordPress. Now, open a new browser tab and go to your WordPress dashboard. From the dashboard, go to Pages or Posts, depending on where you want to add the Canva website. Click on Add New to create a new page or post. Inside the WordPress editor, click on the plus icon to add a new block. In the search bar, type Custom HTML. Click on the Custom HTML block when it appears. You will see an empty box where you can paste code. Paste the Canva embed code into the Custom HTML block. After pasting, do not switch to the visual view. Keep it as HTML so the code works correctly. Now click on the Preview button at the top of the page. This lets you check how the Canva website looks inside WordPress. Make sure the design loads properly and fits well on the page. If everything looks good, click the Publish button. This is how you convert a Canva website to WordPress. Thanks for watching.